This conference will now be recorded.
Yes, good morning. How are you? Good morning, ma. Guys, we'll discussing core Java entry like Java 8 features, right? Yeah. Okay, Java 8 features, lambda expressions we done. First class is what, ma? Lambda expression. Lambda expressions will provide the implementations of what? Function interface method. What do you mean by function interface? The interface contains only one abstract method. Because if anyone is watching this video, you please go for all the classes once. Second video we discussed about the for each method printing the data. For each method, filter the data based on the condition, based on the string and integers. Filter method with object data. Map purpose is what, ma? Map is used to apply the operation on every element in a sequence. One is normal data, one is object data. Reduce method purpose is what? Reduce method apply the operation on all elements, like give the result as one result, just like sum of all elements. Sum of what, all elements, right? Sorting operation, sorting of integer comma string data. Sort with what? Employee object. Wait, start with what, employee object. Next one is what? Method reference. Method reference with for each, method reference with the filter, method reference with map, method reference with reduce, method reference with sort. All the flavors I covered method references. Real time Java features very very important, and the last class we talk about the flat map. Class how much, that is class 15. Class 15 we are talking about what, flat map, right? Flat map purpose is what, to make the of list into the single list. Previously flat map on int data, int data. Today class I'll take the flat map only with object data. I'll take whatever object data. So this is the class number how much, 16. Flat map with what data, guys? Object data. Yes, terminals is very very more important, right? Yes. Flat map with object data, right? Yes. Guys, let me write an example. So here this is a example. Okay, this is a flat map. Previous example we talked, right? Flat map. Because now see, let me take the employee class. Just right click here. Let me take the employee class. New. I want to take the class. It's employee class. Because employee contains, click on finish. Employee class is there. Because employee contains employee name, right? String. Tell me a string what? Name. And every employee contains one mobile number, a list of mobile numbers, multiple mobile numbers. Yes, means what? The employee contains one mobile number, multiple mobile numbers are multiple, right? That's what you can take the list of. Let me guess, list of what? Integers. List of integers. What you can say, here? You can take the okay phones, right? Phone numbers. Yes, you can please write the setters and getters, because to apply the method reference concept, method required. Method reference means what? Method. Method reference means what, ma? Method reference means what? Method. Because colon is there. After colon we have to call the method. That's what here we write the setters and tell me, setters and what? Getters. Setters and getters you write, and constructor also you write. Which one you want, you can use that one. So, right click here, source, generate what, setters and getters. Yes, how many ways to initialize data? Two ways. Setters to initialize data, constructor also to initialize data, right? Exactly. Okay, this is the data here. After that here, right click and till we are right click and what? Source, generate, generate constructor using what? Field, right? Exactly. Constructor also ready, guys. You got the point, right? Yes. But this is my employee cards. Employee contains employee name and mobile numbers. Okay. Can I take the list, right? Can I take the array list example? New. I want to take the class. Tell me guys. Flat map example 2. Flat map example 2, right? Exact. Click on the main method. Click on the finish, right? Exactly. Click on flat map example 2, guys. Yes. Here we need to write the code. And what's the code? Tell me guys, can I take the list of employees, right? Can take the list of what, list of employees. List of employees emps equal to list dot which mother, off. List dot off, here can I add the list of employees. What the first employee, tell me? New. Tell me guys, new emp. New emp, right? Exactly, guys. New emp. Employee name is what? Ratan. So employee name is what? Ratan. Employee name is Ratan. After that, what the data? Second argument is what? The second argument, tell me. Second argument is the what's the second argument here? List of phones. No, here we have to pass a list of phones. Can you pass a list of phones is what ma? Listed of which method? Of method. Ma, we are adding the list of employees. On the employees, again phone numbers are listed. Phone numbers are what? List. Yes, while writing the coding automatically go forward. So that's it. Employee expect in the first argument name. Next one is what? Mobile numbers. Tell me guys, certain some mobile numbers are what? 900 1600 comma, and 7 330 866 and what? 99. Right? There's the first employee, guys. Like this, we can add one more employee, right? Tell me, one more employee here. New. A list of you are taking the mobile numbers or what type of data, ma? List of integers, huh? Okay, na? If it is a integers means what the problem in that? Can I take the integers also, right? No problem. Let it be. Okay, good guys. Here you can write the new EMP. New EMP of what, ma? Again, we can write the same. New EMP of like this, ma. Yes, yes, no. Second employee object. So second employee object is what, ma? Anu. Mobile numbers are what, ma? So, mobile numbers are ma? 9876. Second number is what, ma? Something like this, right? Exactly. But you don't collect numbers, ma. There's a wrong numbers. Or what? Wrong numbers, right? Exactly. Why it's showing error? Just let me take the remove the argument of employee comma list of strings. List of change the construct with the why it's coming like this. Hey, first one is what? Name. Second one is what? Listed dot of correct. Okay, here bracket is required, ma. Here also bracket required. Int is out of range. Int is out of range means here you can take what data here? Long type. Here what you can take long type. What's any change required? Here long required. Here also long required. Now okay na? Braces we need to check. Create a constructor employee string of list of why it's taking long data like list of integers format again. Again the problem is there. Why problem means I know. Here long only can take them because Java by default numeric data is what type of data? This is numeric data, na? Numeric data by default what type of data? Numeric data by default integer type, right? How can represent a long value? We need to use which constant, ma? L constant, right? L constant, right? Exactly. I got the point, right? List of what, ma? List of which data here? Employee data. This is a new employee. This is a new employee. ఏంటిరా ఇది కరెక్టే కదా లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ లాంగే కదా ఓకే టు కంప్లీట్ ద బ్రేస్ అండ్ బ్రేస్ సో ఇప్పటిదాకా ఏం చేస్తున్నారు బై ఇంకో బ్రేస్ ఇప్పుడు చదువుతారు బ్రేస్ బ్రేస్ అని మిస్టేక్స్ నథింగ్ అమ్మా జస్ట్ యూ నీడ్ టు check words while writing the code, that's it. List of long, mistake one, you take an integer because that number mobile number integer cannot hold. Long is there. List of long. List of what, ama? Long. While represent the long, because by default this number is what? Integer. To represent the long, ama, I can represent L constant. Because once if I written long L small, then you're thinking that is also a number, right? Sir, man, you're the dangerous. You're very dangerous, ma. Let me take that is what? Long. Because in Java, the numeric data is by default what type of data? Integer. By default, what am I? Integer, right? Exactly. Guys, there is a data. Guys, let me let me print my let me print the mobile numbers now. Tell me the code for that print the mobile numbers. I want to get only phone numbers. Code tell me. EMPS dot. Tell me guys, emps dot what? Emps dot what? Can I use for each, right? For each, na? Just emp arrow, emp car dot get get phones, right? What am I? Get phones. But you're getting only phones, ma. You're not getting a name. Just you're getting the phones. For me, phones required. If you print the data, if you what? Print the data. Why phones are not printing? Get phones means what the return type, amma? Get phones means the return type will be get phones, right? List of what, amma? List of long values. They're getting the phones, but you are not printing the data. The system dot system dot out. We are doing very very big mistakes. System dot out dot println of what, ma? System dot out dot println of emp dot what? Get phones, right? Because you have to print, right? For each method means what? You have to print. We got what, ma? Phones. You got the phones, right? But these phones are getting like these phones are getting which format, ma? Two phones like this, right? Yeah. Because but my requirement is I need to get what I need to collect the data, guys. To collect the data, how can we collect the data? Tell me then. I don't want print. I want collect the data. All the phone numbers I want collected. They tell me how to collect the data. To collect the data, emps dot stream object dot. You can apply the map, right? Map of emp arrow or emp, because you want to get all the phone numbers or specific phone numbers are. Specific means filter. Specific means what? Condition. Condition means filter. But you want all the people phone numbers, right? Ratan phone number, Anu phone numbers. That's what you're going for. The what? Map. Then map dot what, ama? Get wait, map. Sorry. Emp dot what, ama? Get phones. You're getting all the phones. Dot collect. Wait, dot what, ama? Collect, right? COLLECT. You got the point, right? I have the multiple people, multiple employees phone numbers are there. First, I need to get all the phone numbers. I need to get all the phone numbers. That's what you immediately have to look for the map. No, I want to get the phone numbers of only Ratan. Then filter. Filter like that. But you need the specific person phone number. All phone numbers are. All phone numbers means what, ma? Map. Dot collect, ma. Collect means which format will you get? Tell me. Collectors dot. Tell me guys. Collectors dot. Collectors dot which format, ma? To list format. Then you take the list of phone numbers. Then specific person phone number, all phone numbers are all phone numbers, right? Exactly. It's all phone numbers coming which format, ma? Long, because you're taking the long, right? Exactly. Because you can print the phones, right? Basuma. We got the pointer. Yes, because that is the data. Just you can place the cursor somehow. If any issue is there, list, right? Because you are getting what, all the phones. All the phone means every person phone is what type again? Subtypes, right? So na list of lister. This pronunciation very dangerous here. List of what, lister. This is our control space what, phones. You got the point, right? You are collecting all the phone numbers or specific phone numbers are all phone numbers, ma. That's what you can run this code, ma. See, we are getting the list of list. These all employees phone numbers. But is all employees phone numbers, list of list, sublist, sublist, sublist is there. But I want single list. I want what, ma? Single list. Then tell me the code, ma. You people. I want single list format. Tell me, I want which format? Single list format. I think this code is same code, right? First, you should get all the employees' phones. How much? EMPS dot. Tell me guys. EMPS dot what? Stream dot map. Tell me guys. EMP colon EMP arrow, because we got EMP. Tell me guys. EMP. Otherwise, here what we can write? What we can write like method reference, ma. EMP colon get phones. EMP colon what? Get phones. Previously written the lambda expression, na? And here method reference code you can write. EMP colon phones. You get all the phones, right? All the phones sublist format or single list format. Single list format means what? Flat map. Flat map. Flat map what am? Simply can write the collection colon which one am? Stream. That's all. Your entry set is all not required because the collection data only, right? Collection colon what am? Stream. Dot collect. Collect means what? Collectors dot what? To list. That is the real time method. That's all. Then you'll get the list of mobile numbers, right? Then list of what am I? List of long, list of what? Long, what am I? T, right? Bus. See guys, how the beautiful code, the requirements be like this in the real time. They have the list of multiple employees phone numbers. Multiple employees phone numbers means list of list will come. But we want list of list, a single list of single list. Then we have to go for what? Flat. First of all, you should think how to get all the numbers. Map. Get phones. How to convert that all the numbers sub numbers into the single list. What am I? Flat map, right? We what map am I? Flat map. Get the clearer? Clearer? Then run this code. See? It's very, very important, flat maps. Yeah. But immediately Priyanka is asking one more question. Sir, question is clear as Amma. Sir, question is here you can take the same code, Amma. Get what Amma? Get phones. After getting the phones, make it as a flat. Make it as a flat. Then collect the data. Then print it. Any problem is there? No problem. Yes, now the problem is now what? Problem is if you run this code, you're getting output like this. But every number before she want add plus 91 hyphen. What the answer like this ma? Plus we can expect the answer like this plus 91 hyphen 90001600099. Like this I want output. Then tell me where we need to modification here. Tell me. First we are getting all the names, all the things. Then we need to go for the flat. After flatting, after flatting, we have to make the plus, right? After flatting or before flatting? After flatting, what we need to add? Plus 9. Plus 9 for every number, specific number. Then what I need to use? After flatting, can I use map? Somewhere. After flatting, I use a map. Number arrow, number plus, tell me guys, number plus 91 hyphen. Bus. Yes, but this number is not like that because number is what type of data? Long, right? Okay, long. But plus string plus integer become the what is string, right? Because this is a double quote string, na? Yes or no, yaar? You want string format? Change the string format, bus. No problem. Because we add in the string, na? String plus number becomes what? String, right? Like that. No, sir. I want up to this one means you can take up to this. So no, you want up to this take up to this list of numbers. No, sir. I want at the plus one like that. We need to apply the thoughts. Apply the thoughts. I told you that every number you need to add a plus 91. Every number is our said like every number plus 9 means every number means map every element. Like that you have to think immediately. After flatting or before flatting? Definitely after flatting only. After flatting. After flat only we have to apply what am I? Tell me, after flat only we have to apply what? Plus 91. Then coming to which format? String format. Bus. Let's now run this code. See the output. Data coming properly, right? Yes. Yeah, this is we are getting a list of list. Then you are making the single list. After making single list, we are adding the plus 91. You got the point, right? That is the very very important example, ma. Because the employee contains what, ma? Again, the employee contains name and employee phones. Employee phones like this. Any questions? No, right? Wait, flat map, sir. Flat map is clear. Huh? Previously, flat map is one one. List of list into the. Here, how many list of list is the one? Two list of list. Sub list are there, making the single list. Here, set of three sets, making the single set. Next one, list of what are maps, making the single map. Making what? Single map. Got the point, right? Yes. Any questions? Yeah. Guys, like the video, comment the video, subscribe to our channel to get the more videos. Write the comments about the videos, every video. If you comments, if you like the subscribe, then I'll make the videos public. Otherwise, I'll make the videos or what? Private. Huh? Very, very important. How am I? You watch the complete video, but you are not writing comment. You are not like the video. Why? Huh? I'll make the private and they will. I'm not scolding. I am teaching this much clarity. I am doing this much hard work. Then you're listening. Then you're not appreciating the hard work. Sarma, that is what's important. That's what the point. Online people, you also. Huh? Online people, you also do the same. Like the video, comment the video, subscribe to our channel to get the more videos. Quandareti, Monica, all are subscribed, right? Farjano. Yeah, bye guys. Next we will go for next example.